Hi guys, welcome to Unbox JSG. Today we have both airdopes 441 to unbox here. We can see features on the box: one touch voice assistant and advanced capacitive touch control, 500 mAh carry case which we can carry easily, and so many features. Let's open it. Finally we opened it. We'll explore it. What's inside the box? After opening the box, we can see airdopes 441. It has blue and green lights. They look so premium, and the carrying case also, which we can carry easily. You can see board branding on it. See it, how premium they are. Let's open this box. There's a USB cable, a USB to Type-C cable by which you can charge that box. We can see a cover. Let's open it. After opening it, we can see ear tips in this cover, which we can keep two airdopes for convenience and comfort. Let's see what is there behind this. We can see a warranty card, 1-year warranty card, a board's book in which we can see all cricketers and their products. Let's see manual setup guide of boat. There's so much information in this to read. Thank you.